Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the table style or how to change the color of the table on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone or mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to change the table style in your WPS presentation on your mobile phone, I'm just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, I just added a new empty slide show. So I just going to insert a table show. Okay, I just insert a table, whatever the table I just needed. So after that I just need to change the table theme. Okay, right, I just need to change the table theme. So for that, you just click on this icon option and you will see this option called table properties. Click on this. So here you can just have the different type of table colors. So you can just choose any one of it and you can just choose this, or click on this table properties. You can have the header, first column, last column, like that. So you can just change whatever the thing you just needed. For an example, I just can change the which thing should be have or like this and click OK. You can see it's totally changed it. So this is how you just change the table style on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful